Hey, what's up, guys? So, got box number 3 today, SP Authentic. Got a friend with me to open up some packs. The first two box, we got 3 Pedersons, Elias, Cal, and Marcus. So, I don't know. I got a friend here, so is there a fourth one? No?
A fourth Pedersen?
Yeah, is there a fourth?
Let's, I hope not.
Yeah, okay. Well, if there is a fourth one, hopefully it's Elias Pedersen, and it's the patch,
Yeah.
Future Watch patch. So, let's break into this. This is box number 3. I guess I'll open over time, so let's get this open. I guess we can get Pedersen here, I think.
Oh, Elias Pedersen autograph right here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, Butcher, Soros, Campbell,
Jack
number
Campbell.
99. Jamie Benn, lights out. You know there's a lights out of Sveshnikov?
Andres Svechnikov?
Yeah, lights out. You get it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Okay, let's get this open. Freaking hilarious.
It's kind of cold.
Yeah. Well, they probably made the card before, though. Right?
Yeah.
So just coincidence.
Just a coincidence.
Yeah. Or is it?
Getting knocked out by your idol.
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
Having a card named after that. Okay, so 18 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's just get these out. Okay, gotta put them out nice. Middle. Okay, you can pick your 9 first.
Alrighty. I might just go ahead and take that
Yeah.
middle pile. What
So
is that?
that's 6. Yeah, 6.
7.
Oh shit, what are you doing?
8.
Okay, 8.
We'll mix it up.
Okay.
Try and make sure I get all the good
Oh, you got
pulls.
9? There's 5. Okay, 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got most of the left packs, I think, and that's usually my good luck. So let's get it. Move the knife. Okay, Pedersen, let's go. Let's get another Pedersen.
Right.
Okay, so Jonathan Drouin, base. Alex Tuck. Red Ovi. Anderson and Evgeny Malkin. I guess maybe put the quiz up there.
Pack 2.
Yep, number 2. Gensel.
Oh, it's a retro.
Oh, it's the retro draft. Kuznetsov. It's a red. I think it might be Kachuk.
Oh, you think so?
Oh,
Mantha.
Mantha.
Fuck.
Anthony Mantha. Here's the back. I think last year's card actually said somewhere like retro draft, but this year it doesn't say anything. So
I'm gonna go ahead.
Go ahead,
and
yeah.
snag it. Go ahead.
so confused. Dreisaitl, Pareko. Oh yeah, let's put the inserts. Where's that Ovi? Let's put them like up here.
Yeah, I think the design is like early 2000s.
I think
I think I've seen Sabine's card. Actually, you know what?
something like, I think it's, like 2000 to 2003.
Something like
I remember reading something like that. Okay, Evander Kane. I'm gonna update Anders Lee, Tanner Pearson. He got traded again to Vancouver. Dubois, Goudreau.
we need to do another update.
Nothing yet.
Told you, I got all the pulls.
Yeah, probably. Skinner, UFA, Sean Couturier. Oh, it's a not franchise. Rookie year. Joe Sakic, 19 years old. 2 game-winning goals. Wow, that's a lot. So 19-year-old rookie records 2 game-winning goals. Nice.
Sick.
Only 2. Jeff Carter, Jake Gardner.
Joe Sakic. Oh, Nordique's uniform.
Okay, what is pack 5 for? Okay, let's go. Henrik Lundqvist, Kucherov, color. Oh, it's just a red. Yeah, Kerfoot red. Damn, I'm getting nothing.
Huh?
Neil and Marcel Dion.
I'm bringing the magic touch right here, folks.
Okay, let's go. Next pack. Zuccarello. Oh, Luongo. I think that might. Oh, let's go from the back. Stone. Klinberg.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
Or can you see it from where you are?
I can see it. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's like, I can't tell yet.
Avalanche.
Is that Vesalainen? Oh, Calgary.
Valmaki.
Oh, Valimaki. Yeah.
Yuso Valmaki.
Number 999.
Pretty good. He's a good player.
Not bad, yeah.
I don't know hobby-wise, but
Let's get a sleeve.
Yuso Valmaki.
Just from like the eyes, I just knew he was like Finnish or Swedish. That's all I guess. Vesalainen. All right, nice. Okay, let's put him up here.
Ah, looks like I spoke too soon.
Yeah. Well, you get 2 autos.
Right.
You should get at least 2.
It's probably gonna be a sound of the times. I hope not. I hope it's something sick.
Sick. Patch. Okay, Ricard. Oh, that's another Future Watch.
Oh yeah.
Shannon Kirk. Tarzan Taves.
Come on. Nair Paris.
Autograph.
Oh,
Oh,
man. Yeah, okay, I spoke too soon.
13?
Is that 13?
I think so.
Uh,
Is that Heisher?
oh.
Oh, this is an update from last year.
Oh shit.
Oh, yep.
Sorry. Wow.
Yeah, I think he didn't get one last year. I'm pretty sure.
Wow.
And there's a what's his name? There's a Jack Eichel version of this too,
Yeah.
because Jack Eichel didn't get his.
I didn't know.
Holy.
Jack Eichel. Didn't he have like an exclusive contract with a different company, like Leaf?
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure like
That may be why he didn't have one.
yeah, Jack Eichel's Future Watch autograph is in this year. Nico Heisher. Okay.
Yeah, that's a hell of a pull.
Oh well, I guess I got the good side, or I got the right.
Spoke too soon.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay. 2 more. Okay. Max Domi. I guess I got all the good cards. Forsberg. Yep. Red. Borowski. Carlson. O'Reilly. Okay. Let's move these over. I don't want to fuck these guys up.
The real good cards.
Yeah. Let's put them up here in the corner. Okay. And last pack. Should be a 3rd auto. Sign of the times. Okay. Austin Matthews. Nico Heisher. Eric Stahl. Oh, 400 goals.
Authentic moments.
Yeah. 400 career goals. Bo Horvat and Termi Panarin. Okay, your turn.
Alrighty.
Let's move some of this stuff.
I think the last time I was in a video, someone made a comment about my nails.
Yeah?
Yeah, thanks
Oh.
guys.
Hey, you gotta...
I cut them out today, so well, no, I had them. They're good, I think. Anyways, let's get to
9 packs.
my 9 packs. He might have pulled some nice autograph Future Watches, but I'm about to bring you a patch right here.
Got some nice red parallels.
Alrighty, first pack. Got Alex DeBrincat, John Gibson, and
Vegas.
another Vegas authentic moments.
First time to the finals in the first year.
Wow.
Yep.
Totally has nothing to do with their expansion draft. Patrick Kane, Charlie McAvoy.
Boy, suspended twice in the playoffs? Or once?
Oh yeah?
I guess been once. That one game against Carolina, I think.
Yeah.
Or Toronto.
No, I think it was Carolina.
But for some reason, I feel like he got suspended like twice. Like 2 one-game suspensions.
I don't know. It's already the Stanley Cup final. I don't remember anything. Alexander Radulov, Brendan Gallagher. Whoa, an update, but it's kind of like an all-star insert. It's a Pekka rename.
Oh, I think I've seen somebody pull this before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like an update, I guess. A different type of update.
Yo, maybe it's rare. Probably not. Alrighty.
Rene.
Ryan Ellis, Jamie Benn. Alrighty, pack 3. Come on. I don't. There's nothing like. I'm not expecting anything. Eh? These packs in terms of like the actual like stated odds, because you already got the 2 autos, right?
Yep. Well, I got 3 last time, so
Yeah.
there's a chance.
Dylan Larkin,
And it was 2 Future Watches.
Kyle Connor. Oh, what is this? It's shiny.
Oh, it's
a Spectrum.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a
Future Watch? No.
yeah. Future Watch Neil
Horizontal.
Pionk,
Okay.
level 1. What is this
Isn't that
number?
bounty, the bounty thing they do?
Right. It's not numbered, eh?
No.
Cool.
Maybe not.
Duncan Keith, Vince Trocheck. Alrighty.
Yeah, I think that's all. I think usually you get like, I think 3 Future Watches is the max.
Yeah.
Whether that's like regular, auto, Spectrum, or patch.
Well, then maybe I'll.
Oh, maybe we can get 4th. Who knows?
Jonathan Marchessault. Aaron Ekblad. Predict update. Nikki Schmaltz. Oh, a Future Watch. Ooh, non-auto.
Samsonov?
Ilya Samsonov.
Oh, we got 2 autos. Not 2 autos. 2 inserts.
That's pretty cool.
Nice.
That's a good pull. I mean, in terms of just player wise, he's a hell of a prospect. Tom Wilson.
Oh, that's 4 future watches.
Pretty cool. Man, I swear, I feel like they made the decoys thicker nowadays. Can't pack search no more. Not to say that I've done it before. Carey Price, Brad Marchand, Authentic Moments,
800
Patrick Kane,
assists?
500
500.
assists. 6th Blackhawk with 500 points, or assists rather. Clayton Keller, James Van Riemsdyk. Alrighty, 4 packs left. No, nothing guaranteed, but I mean, you've stuck far this long, you might as well stick around for longer. Alrighty, Brent Burns, Nathan McKinnon,
One of those rookie things.
rookie year milestone of Anže Kopitar, my man's.
41 assists, I think. Yep, 41 assists.
Man, he had a hell of a rookie season. Hey, look, it's a Kopitar base card too, so you can kind of like compare their facial differences.
The growth,
Yeah,
the puberty.
I prefer these jerseys over the ones they have now.
Yeah, I think the purple ones are cool.
And Pecorine. Alrighty, 3 packs to go.
3. What else are you missing? I don't know.
You tell me,
Patch.
Mr. Open already. Couple boxes.
Missing a patch. That's what we're missing.
Patch. Yeah, I like that. All right, Wayne Gretzky. So the next card has to be Mark Messier, right?
Oh, yeah. I think I've noticed in other people, other videos too.
Phenomenal job by.
Draisaitl and Parayko
Oh
are
yeah.
the last 2 cards for the
Oh,
pack.
there's another Spectrum. It's a base card. It's a Pecorine. At least the Spectrum cards are nice and shiny. Alex Galchenyuk. And Nolan Patrick. All right, 2 packs left. Let's get to it. These goddamn decoys. They're so thick. Always gets my hopes up. Just a little. All right, Alex Ovechkin.
OV.
Mikael Granlund.
Should get update for him.
Yeah. Jake
Oh,
Muzzin. Whoops. The Dominator.
Classic. I don't think I've pulled him yet.
Dominic Hasek. And Iginla. So 2 retros. All right, last pack. Come on.
Last pack.
Come on.
Magic.
Alrighty. There's no patch here, unfortunately. Just to spoil it. Sean Monahan. A.K.A. 0 points in the playoffs. Or 1 or something. Not a lot. Not enough. Mikko Rantanen.
Nice pack. Oh, rookie.
Rookie year milestones. Clayton Keller. That's what? Rookie leads Coyotes skaters with 20 power play points. Which explains why he's like a minus whatever. Eric Carlson in a Sharks uni. And Matt Barzal.
Barzal.
And that's it for me.
So obviously I got all the better packs. So thanks for watching. Box number 3. Here are the hits. Oh, I'm at a weird angle, but here we go. Nico Hischier, Valimaki. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Tune in for tomorrow for box 4. Peace.